फिर मैं मायरा को दे दूं सरप्राइज अलोन? आप तो सुन नहीं रहे मेरी बात.
शांत पत्ती ने.
You have waited so long, and it's finally time. It's your first day of school, and you'll be just fine. I wish you all the success, and I hope you make all the progress. I hope you fly and touch the sky. I hope you try all new things. We will always be the wind beneath your wings. We love you a lot, and we hope you have a fun-filled year ahead. Let's today be a start of something new, and we hope we always see a happy you. You like your breakfast today? What is it? Hello? You eating it? Good job. At least she's trying. That's more important. She's trying to learn. Yay! What are you drawing?
Circles.
Circles. Nice circles you have. What's today?
It's my school.
What is it?
This is my school.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What will you do?
I'll tell the teacher I got new things for her. The teacher got also chairs and toys.
But then we're gonna do school from home today.
Yeah, but I've not got my backpacks.
But do you need your backpack when you're at home?
No, in school.
But then we are doing school at home. Like daddy works from home.
Yes.
You can also do your office work, school work from home.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
Busy?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
दिखा तुझे क्या कर रहा मायरा? What are you doing? Bow bow bow. बोलो किम्पी.
Where do you want to go outside? What is there outside right now? There are germs. So for some days, like how does daddy work at home on the computer? Yeah? So same, you'll have your school on the computer for some days. Okay? And once the germs are gone, then you can go back to your school. Yeah, and then you can meet your friends, you can meet your teacher, you can play in the sand. Yeah? Yeah? Okay? So today you'll be doing it from the computer. Okay?
Okay? For some time. Love you. Come on. Hi.
Hi.
What's this?
It's school.
School?
Yeah.
Your school at home?
Yeah. Pencils, picture card. And my water bottle.
And now you're waiting for?
Where's my school?
What's your name?
My name is Meenal Kothari.
Okay. What class are you in?
I'm in my school.
No, you're in LKG.
Yes.
Bolo?
I'm in my LKG.
Who all are there in your family?
Daddy, Mommy, Maya,
And who's Myra?
sister.
This is.
I'm fine, thank you.
Happy? I've got a surprise for you.
What for me?
Yeah.
Ice cream.
When you finish school, then I'll give it. It's a gift for your first day of school.
What is this slide?
No,
No.
it's something small.
A toy?
No, it's something you can use in school.
A firefighter truck?
Firefighter truck in school. So use in school?
No. A pencil?
Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. जाएगा? आप अलाउड नहीं हो? आप अलाउड नहीं हो? हो? क्या बोलोगे?
Down.
Let it go, गाना.
Go.
Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Just Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai, Om, Om Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai.
Close your eyes. Join your hand, okay? Chalo, start.
Ulta, did you enjoy it? Yeah. What did teacher ask you?
My name
And
is strong and beautiful.
did you like it?
Yes.
You enjoyed your day?
Yay.
Now, tomorrow.
Yay.
Can you close your eyes? I got you something for your first day of school.
Yay, Sam. Where's the
Crayons
Yay.
and what's that?
It's crayons again.
Okay, and what's that?
It's pencil.
And eraser.
It's rubber.
And what is that? There's more.
Wow.
It's a ruler.
Yay.
What else is there? It's a pen. It's a pencil. Happy? Did you like it?
Yes.
Good. फिर मैं मायरा को दे दूं सरप्राइज अलोन. आप तो सुन नहीं रहे मेरी बात.
Hey, Sean Patine.
Now I'm trying to make a very simple frosting for the cake, and I'm just taking this unsalted butter, some powdered sugar. I have got vanilla essence and I have got food coloring. I am gonna try to make it pink. Let's see if I succeed or not. I might make it a bit darker. My hand blender is not working, so I'm doing it with my hand. So basically इसका ट्रिक ये है कि जो आपने जो powdered sugar लिया है, जब तक वो completely dissolve नहीं हो जाता, like you can't feel the crystals, तब तक आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से फेंटिए and then your cream would be ready. I think it's done because it's like really nice and fluffy right now. Even the color is very beautiful, baby pink. Now I'm thinking of cutting it in the center and like make like a butterfly shape if that's possible. So I'm gonna try that because it symbolizes that, you know, it's her first day of school and then she's gonna fly high and touch the sky, and you know, it's her first step towards a beautiful life ahead. Hence I want to make it in a butterfly shape, which symbolizes that, you know, we are ready to give her wings, and then she can fly on her own very soon. Now I've like made it in half. Now I have to like cut a small triangle at the lower bottom of the circle. I've tried to make it equal. I don't know if it is. That is how it has turned out. I know it's not perfect, but that's the best I can do right now. Now we will just decorate it. So it's done, and that's what I've done. I feel अगर gems होते तो शायद थोड़ा और better लगता, but this was all I had, and I hope that she likes it. And it kind of looks like butterfly, so it's a success now. You can see that buttercream is left, so I'm just gonna apply that buttercream in this Mari biscuit and make it like a cream biscuit. क्या है मायरा? Pajama. Myru, cake? Cake? Kimba, mommy made it for you.
Yeah, yummy. And sprinkles on top. And
It's
chocolate chip.
What kind of cake is this? What can you see?
Yay, it's a first one.
Yay! Happy first day of school to you. First day of school to you. Yay! What is this?
Pizza.
Enjoy. ऐसे पे भी ऐसे पकड़.
तू भी मेरी ऐसा